Oh, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the GBox app available on iOS and Android. This is going to be completely for free. I'm going to run you through the full tutorial here today. This isn't going to take too long. And basically with GBox, you can go ahead and sideload and install IPAs so easily. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to get GBox installed completely for free, and you can go ahead and start sideloading and doing all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is just turn on my screen recording. All I want you guys to do is to follow along what I'm doing. You should see it up right there. And as you guys can see, we have the GBox app. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and delete GBox. And what we're going to do is get a fresh installation and show you exactly how to do this. So come over here to Safari. What we're going to do is go to this website. Now, if you're on Android, just follow the same steps, essentially. And we're going to go to this website. Now, type this in, www.plueasy.com. And this is essentially get GBox without needing to sideload and do all this weird stuff. So you're just going to go to the search here and just type in GBox. And this is going to install the plugin for GBox for both iOS and Android. So just tap on that, okay? It's going to pop up like this. Press start installation. And what that's going to do is install the GBox app for us right here. We're going to go ahead and wait for this to finish. It shouldn't take too long. And essentially we're going to just basically get all these apps sideloaded with GBox completely for free. And it's just installing on our phone right there. So as you guys can see, super easy. Now it should take about a minute to install. Not too long, but basically, yeah. Wait for it to finish. Now, in order for this to actually work, guys, you want to go ahead and make sure that we're going to go ahead and get some additional plugin files. Now, you're going to see that on the next page, and then it's going to basically ask us to install it. So we're just going to wait for this to finish right here. So give it a sec. Alrighty. So we're installing it. Alrighty. Loading. Install the plugin. Okay, so essentially what it's going to do, it's going to say your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. They're going to be right here on this page. And basically that's going to install GBox without having to use a computer or jailbreaking or anything like that. So we're going to go here and then we're going to tap on the first one. It says go ahead and get Coin Master and complete Village level 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and complete that. Now you only need to do 2 of them for this to work. Luckily for you, I actually went ahead and completed the Coin Master one just to save a bit of time on this video. But essentially is what you would do, you would just download Coin Master right here. And as you guys can see, I'm just in Coin Master right now. And I've got to Village level 3. And you just go ahead and get coins from Coin Master. It takes like 5 minutes to get Village level 3. You don't need to pay or anything like that. And you just can like attack people's villages. Cool. Yep, right. And then once you get coins, you just scroll down here. You just scroll down, swipe down, and then you upgrade your village. And as you guys can see, my village is now leveling up. So that's a super easy one. Go ahead and do that one. Now what we're going to do is the second one here. So we're going to come back to Safari. You can do the Family Island one, but there's this pure VPN one. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and do the pure VPN. Okay, so once you're in the pure VPN one, you just go ahead and get the app. So as you guys can see, you just press get, and then we're just gonna go ahead and log in to Apple ID, install it, and of course, this is completely for free, guys. And then that's gonna complete the second one. So you can go ahead and start the trial or whatever. You don't have to, but normally it will work. Now, a lot of them, some are gonna be easier than others, okay? Some might be harder, some might be harder than others. Just make sure you are reading the instructions and doing whatever they require. It's super easy, and yeah. We're going to go ahead and do this. So what we're going to go ahead now, guys, is basically now that we completed those, the GBox installer should install. So we're going to wait for this to go ahead and load. Alrighty, and as you guys can see, it says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. So this is essentially downloading GBox. So we're going to press allow, press close, and then we're going to go over to our settings. Okay, now if you're on Android, it's going to install the APK. We come over to the settings right here. Okay, and we're going to go to cancel. Go to more for your iPhone, and then you're going to see profile downloaded. So click on view profile and then press install, type in your passcode. Okay, next install. And now we have the official GBox app installed and ready to go. And now we can go ahead and sideload IPAs with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. That's how easy this is. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.